Good morning to all. I, Mr. T. Ganesh Kumar, Department of Chemistry and the Coordinator of the IQAC of CSSR and SRRM Degree and PG College, Kamalapuram, heartily welcome you all on the occasion of Dr. Bhimrao Ji Ambedkar birth anniversary on this day, 14th April 2021. On behalf of our college, our warmest greetings to our beloved Professor N. Ankana sir and our beloved Principal C.V. Rajagopal Reddy Garu on this virtual celebration of Ambedkar Jayanti. 130 years ago, a crusader, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born. He battled against a caste divided society and freed millions from the shackles of indignity and untouchability. He directed the citizens towards an egalitarian society. Let's celebrate his life. Let's celebrate the messenger. We are Indians, firstly and lastly. Ambedkar Jayanti, virtually and really. Now, I request our chief guest, Professor N. Ankana Garu, to give a message of few words on this occasion. Sir Ankana sir, please carry on, sir.
Thank you very much, Tamudu. Thank you very much. Honorable correspondent, Sri Rajagopal Reddy Garu, principal, students, other invitees, print and electronic media. I sincerely welcome to all on the precious birthday occasion of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji. Personally, it gives me an immense pleasure that I would like to address a great luminary, only the greatest personality on the earth, very particularly in the field of knowledge, in the field of humanity, in the field of polity, and his birth signifies a new birth of India. Another thing is, when we are celebrating a personality, he must be a celebrated personality. Now, in this occasion, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is ultimately apt for the celebration of the universe. My question is, most of them do not know what happened during his life tenure, what he had done for the neglected community. Why? Because he had personally experienced. Another thing is, most of them do not know whatever he does, whatever he did, he has kept in the mind India a strong and solidarity with unified India. Because most of the Dalit leaders can talk about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is a man for Dalit community. Is not at all a man for Dalit community. A man for universal leader is a constitutional maker, a chairman of the constitution, and keeping in view some years, he had manuscript our Indian constitution. Another thing is, don't degrade his name individually, not belong to Dalit community. You remember always. Another thing is, what Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wanted to see his community, a community which must stand for self-respect and self-sufficiency. But this may be misinterpreted heavily. Question is, reservation means who is who is in need of reservation. Provide reservation is the basic motto. Is the basic motto. But the people they are exploiting, they're enjoying the sacred reservation policy for the sake of individual growth, individual prosperity, individual development. This is not right. I appeal to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji garu, wherever you are, reservations must be for the people who are in need virtually. Why? Because reservation is like a weapon. When we use it properly, we can see India on the height of a great glory. When we misuse reservations, what happens is, naturally, distrust, disappointment will prevail among the rest of the community. Therefore, whatever you have provided me an opportunity in our Indian Constitution to utilize, but not to exploit. This is whatever Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said. Another thing is, Ambedkar's visions are much wider. His vision is for 1,000 years. Most of them do not know. Ambedkar is only for Dalit leader. Ambedkar is a constitutional maker of India. He wanted to see India a topmost on the peak level of the universe. What he felt, he always thinks of India when there is when there is casteism, when there is untouchability, whatever Ambedkar felt, untouchability, caste system will make India weak. That is why he has made a successful fight in order to eradicate or complete elimination of casteism, untouchability from the Indian soil. That is, first Ambedkar has given top priority nation, thereby we can see India alive. Now today, most of the leaders, I appeal to all the Dalit leaders on the happy, precious birthday occasion. One must be highly respectable. You must be highly dignified. One must be a learned person. Whatever you wanted to talk intellectually. Never abuse any community. Never irritate any community. We have to convince Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is a leader for all. Everybody knows. But our Dalit leaders have made Dr. B.R. Ambedkar this is, I felt very vast. Anyhow, I am very happy for giving me a beautiful and wonderful opportunity to deliver a few opinions, my personal opinions regarding Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision and his ideology. At the same time, I must be thankful to Rajgopal Ittana and Subba Naidu, principal, my learned colleagues, all my students, all my friends. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your wonderful lecture and giving a message about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, sir. Thank you once again, sir. Now, I would like to invite our principal, C.V. Rajgopal Reddy Garu, to talk few words about Ambedkar.
Okay, I am very thankful to our close friend, University Assistant Professor Dr. Ankanna Garu, and our beloved Principal Dr. Rayudu Garu and my staff members. ఈరోజు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. అంబేద్కర్ జయంతిని మన కాలేజీలో వర్చువల్గా జరుపుకోవడం అనేది చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. అయితే ఈరోజు ఒక గొప్ప మహానుభావుడు అంబేద్కర్ రచించినటువంటి రాజ్యాంగాన్ని మనం తూచా తప్పకుండా పాటించాల్సిన అవసరం ఎంతైనా ఉంది. కానీ దాని ఉన్నత స్థాయిలో ఉన్నటువంటి వ్యక్తులు ముఖ్యంగా వాటిని పాటించి వారి సమాజ ఉద్ధరణ కోసం, తద్వారా 10 మంది పేదలకు, బడుగు వర్గాలకు అభ్యున్నతికి కృషి చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ ముగిస్తున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Now I request Mr. D. Vinay Kumar, Faculty Department of English, to give vote of thanks. Vinay.
Sir, thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Professor Ankanna, sir, for your inspiring and enlightening message on our beloved father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Our special thanks to our inspiring spirit, our correspondent and principal, Sir C.V. Rajgopal Reddy sir, for blessing this occasion. Our thanks to all the participants, the press, and all who made the program successful. Thank you very much. And my special thanks for Dr. C.S. Baraydu sir, who make it this occasion wonderful. Thank you one and all for all the participants in the occasion of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinay. With this, we conclude this celebration. Jai Hind.